you want to get into tech, well, I'm going to lay out the blueprint for you to get into that industry. First point is going to be you need to learn the programming languages. Now, whether that's Python, Java, whatever language you select, you need to learn a programming language and you need to get some experience in using that programming language. You need to understand the fundamentals on how to code, the logic around it. So then that's going to help you to build that knowledge and build projects as well. Second is going to be choose a tech field. So what do I mean by that? You want to go into web development, you want to go into mobile development, you want to go into UI, UX. Pick your field and stick to that field and enhance yourself in that field by learning the relevant programming languages and getting certifications, which is the next point. Now, there's loads of certifications out there. Make sure you pick the one that's relevant to your field. So if you're going into cybersecurity, make sure he's focused on that. If you're going into DevOps, make sure he's focused on that. So go out there and get some certifications. Next is going to be building your portfolio. You need to do projects, right? So you need to have a GitHub. When you go to an interview, you need to be able to articulate, this is what I've done. This is some of the projects that I've created in my own time or I've done for freelance, etc. So that's going to show the recruiter or the hiring manager that you do have some practical experience in applying that programming language that you've learned. Next is going to be building that experience when it comes to doing client work or working in a corporate environment. So that's going to be doing some freelance work, going out there, getting some internships, some placements, a graduate scheme, whatever. So getting that fundamental corporate experience, working with clients and delivering an actual piece of work is going to help you massively. And the last point is going to be networking. Networking is key. Go to events, go to hackathons, try to meet as many people as you want, because you never know who you're going to bump into and they could essentially offer you a job at the end of it. You never know who you're going to bump into, guys.